.com secrets. Who's it for and why should you read it? Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Michelle from Limitless Possibility. And if you're interested in affiliate marketing or building an online business or generating a passive income, then this is the channel for you. I want to share with you as much actionable content along with some tips, tricks, and strategies to become successful with affiliate marketing. So I came on here today. I wanted to tell you about the .com Secrets book by Russell Brunson. As you can see, it's a pretty big book. It's probably the best book I've ever read. Okay, or read in a very long time. All right, it's a simple book. It teaches concepts for online marketing and making money online that are extremely powerful, and they teach them to you so simply. Like, just, you have so many aha moments as you're reading the book. So it's really, it's an awesome book. Okay. So click subscribe, click the little bell notification. I'm going to be putting out some new videos. This book here, .com Secrets, is written by Russell Brunson. He's the founder of ClickFunnels. If you guys don't know what ClickFunnels is, stick with me, you will. All right. So what is a sales funnel? It's your sales process, basically. All right. The book takes you through hook, story, offer, your value ladder, taking your customer up your value ladder to the top tier product or service that you sell. All right. And it breaks it down so simply. And he takes you through his process and his life and everything that he's done, getting to where he's at with multi-million-dollar companies. Okay. So the book dives deep into all of that stuff. Okay. And it breaks it down Barney style for you so you can understand it simply in your head. All right. So the other thing that's in this book is it talks about email marketing and where that fits into your sales funnel process. He lets you look into his email marketing process. So it kind of helps you figure out how you need to put and integrate your email marketing in your sales process. Okay. So this book is for anyone that wants to understand how to make money online. That's who this book is for. Anyone that wants to learn how to make money online. In every niche, whether you're a consulting, an affiliate marketer, whether you're a brick and mortar store, like if you're a dentist, okay, whether you're e-commerce store or like Shopify or whatever, whether you sell courses or not, it's going to break down how people are making money online. All right. This book is free plus shipping, about $7. Okay. Best money you'll ever spend. I swear. Okay. Best money. You got to read the book. You got to check it out. Okay, so get the link to the book. I'll put it in the description below. Subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know if you've read the book and tell me what you think. All right? I'm telling you what I think, and I think it's a pretty awesome book. You got to get it. You got to get it now. All right? So thanks for watching. And remember, anything is possible.